Hello folks, how are you? Hope everybody's fine. And today we're gonna see what's inside this remote control. So basically it was just a little bit broken by some child right in our house, and today I'm gonna see what's inside this. So basically this is a working functional remote, so it just works fine. So let's see what's inside this. So first of all, there is these batteries. Let's remove this. So you just gotta remove the batteries just like that, and let's see what's inside this thing. Well, basically remotes are not that much not that much very sophisticated, you can say. There's not so much rocket science in that. So basically just a little bit circuit board and just the wire area. So you can see this is what looks inside a remote. So you can see just the sockets of batteries and the light that emits the infrared lights to the TV, so which indicates to change the channels inside the TV. So whichever channel you want, so that's just the thing that makes it change the channel. So, and this one is uh, the thing made of rubber and plastic. So when you press it, the thing is that this thing on the remote control board, this thing gets pressed, and just you can see, you can just take it back. Here one of the circuit goes here and the other one goes here. So as the circuit is moving right around all these boards when this is connected in with a battery, so this is just a little bit memory is added here, so that these functionalities like this change memory and the things like menu and volume up and volume down buttons are added inside the things that are stored inside this memory. So that's not so much rocket science. Let's put it back. So let's see how it looks. So let's put this thing back right here. Yeah, let's put it back just like that. We tear it open, so now let's put it back just like that. So first just check that this thing works fine. And just put it back, this thing together. So there you go. The thing is that just put the batteries in and you're good to go. So that wasn't just rocket science. They are just simple silicone and plastic used to make a remote control. So that you saw what's inside the remote control. Hope you like the video. Just subscribe and like the video. Everywhere Science.